2022 Toyota Land Cruiser First Look Review. Forbidden 4x4 Fruit. Please support us by pressing the like button and subscribe so that this channel will grow and provide many benefits for you. Thank you. One of the best-known vehicles in the world is getting a long-awaited replacement with the debut of the 2022 Toyota Land Cruiser. Unfortunately for Americans, we won't be getting it. The new model, known internally and to Land Cruiser enthusiasts as the 300 series, is a melding of the tried-and-true 200 series that's been around since 2007 and the GA-F derivative of Toyota's newer TNGA platform. Although it's still a body-on-frame truck-based vehicle, the Land Cruiser's frame has been redesigned in an effort to reduce weight and increase rigidity. Toyota claims the 2022 Land Cruiser is 441 pounds lighter than the old model, which we weighed at 5,774 pounds in 5-seat configuration and 5,874 pounds in standard 7-seat configuration. Toyota claims to have also lowered the center of gravity, making it less likely to tip over in extreme situations, and improved the weight distribution, although its reported 53/47% weight distribution matches that of the last 200 series Land Cruiser we tested. Pour out a Kirin for the long-serving naturally aspirated V8, as it's been replaced by a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 making 409 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque, an improvement of 28 horsepower and 78 pound-feet. In global markets, the Land Cruiser has long been offered with diesel engines as well, and this generation will have an available 3.3-liter twin-turbo diesel V6 with 304 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque. Both engines will mate to a 10-speed automatic transmission and feature full-time 4-wheel drive with a 2-speed transfer case. In certain markets, a naturally aspirated gas V6 with a 6-speed automatic will also be available. Regardless, Toyota notes the engine and transmission sit 2.8 inches further back and 1.1 inches lower in the new SUV relative to the old one. Putting down the power is an updated suspension, though details are thin. The independent front and live axle rear suspension designs remain, but the company claims to have improved articulation all around. Toyota's Kinetic Dynamic Suspension System, KDSS, has been updated to EKDSS, though no details were given. KDSS worked by using hydraulic pressure to modify the resistance of the anti-roll bars or effectively disable them, improving both on-road and off-road performance as needed. We surmise EKDSS replaces the centrally mounted hydraulic pump and lines with a pair of pumps, one for each axle, which may allow the system to control the axles separately for greater control of body and wheel movements. Also assisting off-road are a pair of electronic aids, Multi-Terrain Monitor and Multi-Terrain Select. The former is a camera system that allows the driver to see obstacles that may be obscured by the hood or other parts of the vehicle. The latter automatically changes the drive mode based on the terrain rather than requiring the driver to do it manually. All of the suspension and off-road tech updates were reportedly put through their paces by both Toyota engineers and professional drivers from the company's Dakar Rally team.
Without till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos like this.